All right, welcome back into the AI Copy Lab. I'm Andy O'Brien. Great to have you here. Hit that subscribe button if you can, and let's dive in. If you're like me, you maybe struggle with writing an FAQ, but you know how powerful that FAQs can be when it comes to trying to sell your services. All right, so ChatGPT to the rescue here. All right, so we're going to ask ChatGPT, or if you're using Bard or whatever, it doesn't matter, to create a helpful but sales focused. Okay, that's important. Helpful but sales focused. We want to make sale here, right? FAQ for my sales page that addresses the most common questions about and here's a fictional product again. I like these fictional products. My Get It Done Now product that deals with defeating procrastination. Include the question and the answer for each one. That was it. That's all I had to do in order to generate some really good FAQ questions and answers. So here they are. What it is, all right? What is Get It Done Now? All right. So it came up with an answer, but you're actually, if you have your own product and you're trying to write a sales page here, you're going to give it some other info. All right. You could either do it in this prompt here. All right. You could even say at the end, here's some information you might need. Just add it to that. Okay. Or you could wait until it gives you all this stuff and then do a follow-up prompt to clarify it. Or I'm going to teach you another way that you can fix it. All right. So basically, it's saying what it is. It came up with its own definition. So you're obviously going to have to refine that. How does it work? People are going to ask that. Can it work for me if I struggle with severe procrastination? Absolutely. All right. So it talks about tailored approaches, different levels, different techniques. How long does it take to see results? That's a great FAQ question, right? And then it gives you a kind of a generic answer on that. It varies based on individual circumstances. Is it suitable for all types of goals? Can I access it on different devices? That's a great question that you will want to use maybe in your FAQ. What if I need additional support during my journey? And then this gives you a chance to talk about how supportive you are to your customers. A lot of people ask about a money back guarantee, that risk reversal again that we've talked about in other episodes. And here it is coming up again. All right. So you can talk about your guarantee policy here. All right. So these are just a few things that you can put in an FAQ, but a lot of times, personally, I always struggle with coming up with the right questions to put in an FAQ. So what I did was put it in the trusty Google Doc, right? We have a Google Doc now, and we're going to fix it up a little bit. And all we're going to do this time is we're going to customize it based on your answers. All right. So whenever the beauty of an FAQ is you're going to definitely have to customize it. So whatever ChatGPT gives you here, you're going to put in your own answers. But the main thing is it's given you ideas on questions. All right. You didn't give it any of this stuff in the prompt. So it's really taking it and running with it. So these questions are great. And then you can just customize your answers based on your product or service. And there you go. And then you have an FAQ that you can use on your sales page or in an email or in social media. It's a beautiful thing, folks. That's it this time around in the AI Copy Lab. See you next time. Hit that subscribe button and please share this to your friends in social media. We want to get as many people joining this group, this YouTube channel as possible. I'll see you next time.